Good morning students, hope all of you are doing well. Today I am providing one of the question paper which is based on of your pre-half-yearly unit test portion. Chapter 1 large numbers, chapter 2 addition, subtraction and their applications, and chapter 3 geometry. Okay, so see here students, some questions I am given here, you please practice at your home. Okay, so first question is the fill in the blanks. The first question is smallest dash digit numbers minus 1 equals to greatest 8 digit number. So you have to write the smallest digit number that when we will subtract 1 from this number, then we will get this one. Okay, and second question is that the place value of the 1 in this given number in the Indian place value system. So this number is in Indian place value system. So one thing you have to remember in your mind, if in your question is mentioned it is a in international place value system, it is okay. Otherwise you always follow the Indian place value system. Okay, so next question number 3 addition. So these two numbers is given, after addition one number you will get means sum. What is the sum of these two? Add of these numbers, the result you have to write here. And then second one is the fill in the blanks type question. So see here, this question came from that property of addition. So you see these two numbers, when we add this one equal to which number we have to put here, then plus 1, then we will get the same sum, same result. Okay, then here is one of the subtraction. So you please do that. I hope all of you remember that how to write the number is in place value chart, and then how to solve the addition and subtraction with carry or with borrow, without borrowing. Okay, so that properties you already learned learned from your previous video. So please practice at your home. And here actually I am taking different parts of those chapters of a questions. So because of I want you can practice at your home many more times, then each and every things you have to recall. Okay, so write the expanded form of the following numbers. So see here, the two numbers I have given, A and B, you have to write the number is in expanded form. Okay, so second one is that arrange the following number in ascending order. So ascending order, so how to arrange the number in ascending order? Two numbers set I am given here, two set of number is given here, you have to write the number is in ascending order. Question number 3, arrange the following number in descending order. So here this two set of number I am given, you have to write the numbers is in ascending order. Here also I have given two set of numbers, you have to write in descending order. Okay, so question number 4, evaluate the following expression and express the result in both the Hindu Arabic and Roman numerals. Okay, so see here, two questions also I have given here, so you please solve it. And question number 5, estimate the following sums and verify the answer. So you know that how to solve this type of question. So that things already I discussed in my previous video. Please you do that and estimate the following difference and verify the answer. So see here, two sums is given, here two differences is given, you please do it. And this is one of the word problem. In an election, the candidate who won got 23 lakh 36,669 votes. So who won got 23 lakhs 36,669 votes, and the candidate who lost got only 17 lakh 89,582 votes. So by how many votes did the first candidate win? So this is one of the word problem, you please solve it. Next is the very important part. So in geometry chapter, write the name of the, because in my previous worksheet Many more times I have given the question from the angles, triangles, and measuring how to measure the angle, and how to do that reflection symmetry, half a turn, quarter a turn. So that's why I am changed little bit different things here. This type of question I am not given in previous worksheet. So that's why I want to these things is very important. Net is very important, so you please practice it, and please remember that the which of the write the name of the corresponding solid figures under each net. So what is the name of the solid figure of this net? So 4 question is given here, you practice it. Students, you please do this worksheet at your home and in your class work copy. Okay, so school provided copy, class copy, you write over there, and please you do it and practice it. And all the best for your mock test 2 and unit test paper. Thank you, students. Bye.